What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be an announcement of the Christmas giveaway. As I mentioned and I hinted at on Instagram, if you follow me on Instagram, then you've seen the post that I was going to be doing a Christmas giveaway. So today's video is just going to show you guys what you can win and what the rules are for you to enter in this giveaway. So there will be 5 lucky winners that I will be announcing on the 17th of December. I will be announcing it, I believe, on Instagram. I'm still kind of up in the air on how I want to do that. I think what I'm going to do is go on live like I did the last giveaway, list the winners out, try to make sure that I have everything organized. That way the video doesn't cut off, because last time that's what I ran into a problem. I don't know if it was just the background noise or if the camera was picking up the TV or the music in the background, but it kept cutting off the video. So a lot of you guys were getting kicked off. And then when I would come back on, some of you were gone. It was just a lot going on, so I want it to be a lot smoother this time, so I'll have to figure that out. But just make sure that you guys are watching my Instagram post, because that's where you're going to find a lot of the information in regards to the giveaway and how I'm going to be announcing it. So the giveaway is going to run from December the 5th up until December the 16th. It is 1 entry per person. A lot of you guys last time entered 3 or 4 different times, so it does make it a lot harder for me to keep count of everyone that's in, and then put you guys into a system so that, you know, the winners can be elected, because it is going to be random. I don't pick anybody. I don't, you know, show any favoritism or anything. Do not send me messages. Do not comment for me to pick you, because I'm not going to do that. Okay, I want it to be random. I want for everyone to just go in and it be a lottery. So please do not DM me to pick you as a winner, because I will not acknowledge the message. I will not respond to the message, because that's just not how I want to do this giveaway. Okay, unfortunately this giveaway will not be international, just because of the time frame, and last time it was not as smooth as I wanted to. I had a lot of problems with shipping. I had a lot of problems with being able to track the packages once they leave the country. So unfortunately this giveaway will not be international. I will do future giveaways and maybe those will be international. It's just this one, unfortunately, you guys, I can't do it this time. So I hope you guys can understand that, and just keep an eye out for future giveaways that I will be doing, and we'll try to incorporate international as well. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the products that some of you will be winning, and then towards the end of the video I'll go ahead and let you guys know how to enter, so make sure that you guys stay tuned for that. So let's just hop on in. Some winners will be winning a Foxy Babe Rose Gold Marble Flat Iron. I picked up 2 of these. 2 winners will be receiving these. I also picked up 3 of these Rose Quartz body rollers. I actually own one of these. I use it when I do my facial routine at night. So I picked up 3 of these. You can use them on your face as well as your body. It's supposed to help with hydration and actually getting the products into your skin. So I picked up 3 of these for you guys. I'm not gonna tell you guys what's included in each giveaway. It's gonna be a surprise. I just kind of want you guys to know what's gonna be in the giveaway, but you're not necessarily gonna know which one you're gonna be winning. So that's kind of like the surprise. So like I'm saying, you guys are gonna know what all of the prizes are gonna be, but you're not gonna know what you're gonna get. So it's kind of gonna be like a mystery gift for you guys. Really like what Christmas is. You'll know what some of the gifts are, but you won't know what's gonna be in your package. That's kind of the effect that I wanted to go for. I went ahead and picked up 2 of the Jeffree Star Morph collaboration palettes, and so these will be in the giveaway as well. So this giveaway does have high-end products and drugstore products as well. I wanted to make sure to include some high-end products for you guys, because I mean, I think last giveaway I did include, like, I had Morph in there and stuff like that, but I wanted to include more high-end products that I know you guys will love, because I know I love them. So on that note, I picked up, I have 2 of these that'll be in the giveaway. I picked up also a Anastasia lip gloss set, and it's a holiday collection, and so somebody will be winning this as well. So I picked up the MAC travel exclusive lip kit in neutral. You'll have a prep and prime, you'll have a lip scrub, and then you'll also have a liquid lipstick. I picked just this one up. This was like the last one, you guys. I was like, I gotta grab it, put it in the giveaway for you guys. So I also picked up 2 of the Revolution Makeup Ultra Contour palettes, and I got 2 of these that I'll be putting in the giveaway for you guys. I actually picked one of these up for myself. I used it when I was going to an event. Like, I got a couple of compliments on it, so I was like, oh, okay, I like it. And then I went back and picked up one more. I was trying to find more, but other people picked them up. So this was the last one when I went. And this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Glitter Kit. Also picked up, hold on you guys. So Makeup Revolution, I do use them a lot. So I picked up 2 of the highlighter palettes, the Sophia X collaboration. And this is what they look like, you guys. So that'll be in the giveaway as well. I picked up 3 Kylie Cosmetic lip products. I picked up the Kylie Jenner Velvet Liquid Lipstick and Lip Liner in the shade Dazzle. So one person will win this. Then I picked up a combination. This was a combination that I just personally liked. I picked up the Kylie Cosmetic lipstick in Boss Matte, and then the lip gloss in Always Shining. The Always Shining lip gloss is very clear. It just gives you a gloss. This will be put together for one winner. And then if you guys have watched some of my previous videos, you'll see that I uploaded a skincare video. And in that video, I used some of the Kylie Cosmetic skincare line. So when I was shopping at Ulta, I saw these cute little 3-step mini sets, and includes the foaming face wash, the toner, and then the face moisturizer. So I picked up 2 of these, and these 2 will be in the giveaway. I picked up another one of those Anastasia holiday kits. So while 2 people will be winning the Foxy Bay straightener, I did pick up a bed head blowout free. It's like the blowout brush that kind of straightens your hair at the same time. So I picked this up. So someone will be winning this. I actually have one. I like it. So I thought I would get one for you guys so that you guys can try it out as well. I also picked up the Tangle Free hairbrush. So I've got 2 of those, and this one has little llamas on it, and then the other one just has like coconuts. It's like a holiday one. So this will be included in the giveaway as well. Lastly, well, close to lastly, I'm a big planner person. Like, I love planners. So when I picked up my planner, because I need one for like managing my bills, and I have like something I'm working on that I want to share with you guys. I just want to get some things fixed first before I introduce it to you guys. So while I picked up the planner that I needed, I saw this one and I thought it was cute. So I was like, I'll include it in the giveaway. I mean, I don't know if you guys like planners. I know I do. You know, I mean, granted, we didn't really need to plan anything for 2020 because, you know, everything was closed. It says Woman on a Mission, so I'm including this as well. And then finally, you guys, I picked up 2 of these bad boys. I have one that I use when I'm filming makeup tutorials or when I'm just getting ready because I'm going out. And I was like, why don't I pick some up for you guys so that you guys can use them when you get ready. So I picked up 2 of the Impression Vanity Bourjois LED hand mirror with charging stand, and this is what it looks like, you guys. I love my mirror, so I figured I would get 2 of these and include them in a giveaway. So 2 people will be winning these as well. So again, everything in the box is gonna be random. Like, you're not gonna know which prize you won. You just know that you're gonna win a prize. The contest will go from the 5th until the 16th. The winner will be announced on the 17th, and packages will be shipped out on the 18th. I will be sending you something in your DM, so make sure that you do look at your DMs and acknowledge the fact that I've sent something to you, because that's how you're gonna be able to track your shipping to see when you're gonna get it. I'm hoping that the packages will get to you guys before Christmas. I mean, I want you guys to be able to open it for Christmas. Send me pictures and send me videos of you guys opening, because I do kind of want to put up a video of an accumulated video of giveaways that I do, but that'll be further on down the road, not right now, because this will be only the 2nd giveaway I do. So that'll be later on, but that's kind of what I'm hoping to get out of this. I just wanted to do something nice for you guys, especially around the holidays and all this crazy stuff going on. I just wanted to do this. All right, guys, so it's 5 steps to enter the giveaway. first step is make sure that you guys are subscribed to me on YouTube. I will be checking, so please make sure that your subscriptions are public. I will not be able to message you guys and tell you guys that I can't see it. Please be sure to check before you enter the giveaway. Under this video, be sure that you guys leave me your Instagram names. So just comment your Instagram tag at whatever it is so that I can cross-reference on Instagram. Secondly, make sure that you are a follower on Instagram. I will be checking, so please don't enter if you're not going to be following me, because this is not meant for you guys. You know, I want to include you guys, but you guys have to follow the directions. So once you've been a subscriber to YouTube and you're a follower on Instagram, I'm going to be posting this giveaway on my page. It's just going to be a picture of everything that's included in the giveaway. You'll have to share that post. Make sure that you tag me once you share that post, okay? So I can make sure that I am aware that you are tagging me and you're following the steps so that I can make sure that I enter you guys in the giveaway. After you've shared the post, you're gonna wanna return back to the original post on my page, comment 2 friends, so just tag 2 of your friends and comment the word done on that same comment. So it shouldn't be 2 different comments. It should be you're tagging whoever you're tagging and the word done right after the names, and just like the picture. Once you've done that, you're entered. And that's it. It's 1 entry per person, you guys. You cannot enter more than 1 time because it's just an overflow, and some people will only enter 1 time because, again, it is a 1 entry giveaway, and other people will enter 1,000,000 times. So it kind of pushes those comments down. So let's just try to be fair to everybody. 1 comment, 1 entry, that is it. Okay, again, the contest will run from December the 5th up until December the 16th. The winners will be announced on Instagram on the 17th, and the packages will be sent out on the 18th. Definitely get ready, you guys. Enter the giveaway. Tell your friends. Have your friends enter the giveaway as well. Just 1 entry per person. Make sure you guys follow all of the rules. I'll leave all the rules in the description box below, so in case you miss anything or in case you guys forget something, you can always go back and check down there. As usual, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.